Hi guys! Welcome sa Sipnayan. In this video ay itutuloy natin ating series on operations and functions. And naumpisahan na natin itong division of functions. No? Itutuloy natin dito sa video na to. So, here we have f of x equals x squared minus 8x plus 15. And we have g of x equals x squared plus 8x minus 30. Find f over g of x, or f divided by g of x. From the definition, we have f of x, or f of g of x, f over g of x. F over g of x is equal to f of x over g of x, where g of x is not equal to 0. Ibig sabihin, kailangan na natin to i-substitute yung ating expression, no? This is f of x is x squared minus 8x plus 15. And then we have g of x, which is x squared plus x minus 30. Pag meron tayong polynomial functions, no, doon sa numerator sa denominator, ang una natin gagawin is to see if we can factor, no, yung mga polynomial functions or polynomial expressions. So, halimbawa, yung x squared minus 8x plus 15, meron tayong, alala nyo pa ba mag-factor? We have a sum of negative 8 and a product of 15. Anong dalawang numbers na yon? Pwede nyo pag-isipan. Pwede nyo i-pause yung video. You can pause the video and think about the two numbers. Okay, so 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Sana na-pause nyo na. No? Minus 3 or negative 3 tsaka negative 5. Negative 3 and negative 5. Ang product nila ay 15 but yung sum nila ay negative 8. So, pwede nating x minus 3 tsaka x minus 5 dito. And yung sa baba naman, we have a product of negative 30. Yung nasa yung letter C niya, and ax squared plus bx plus c, yung c yung product, diba? And yung b yung yun yung ating sum, no? That is if the coordinate, if the coefficient ay 1. So magiging 1 yung ating sum, yung numbers na ang product ay negative 30 tsaka sum ay 1. So magkaiba yung sign yan kasi negative yung product. So pwede nyo pag-isipan. Magka-countdown ako ng 5 to 1. Pwede nyo i-pause yung video while I'm counting down. And then resume later. So 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Ano yan? X plus 6 over x minus 5. That's the factor. So, plus 6 and minus 5. So, ano na nangyari dito? We have x minus 5 doon sa ating numerator and we have x minus 5 sa denominator. So, we can cancel. But be careful kasi pag nag-cancel ka dito, you should specify that these two numbers or the expression you cancel is not equal to 0. X minus 5 not equal to 0. Bakit? Kasi hindi ka pwede mag 0 over 0. Pag 0 over 0, hindi pwede. Maging undefined siya, kaya hindi ka makakapag-cancel. That's why you have to restrict your value. Pag x minus 5 is not equal to 0, meaning, if we add 5 to both sides, parang equation din, x is not equal to negative 5. X is not equal to 5. So, meaning, x not equal to 5. And pag nasa baba na tayo, x minus 3 over x plus 6, you have to specify the restriction. Otherwise, pag hindi ko in-specify ito, magkaiba yung function na to sa original function. Kasi sa original function, undefined yung 5, no? Pero dito, defined yung 5. Pag wala to, no? Pag binura ko to, magiging defined yung x equals 5. That's why we have to specify. Okay, so I think that's the lesson for uh, the day, no? In this video, or the lesson in this video. Dapat pag nag-factor tayo ay hindi dapat natin binabago yung function. Hindi natin dapat binabago yung domain. We have to specify the restriction para hindi mabago yung function. Okay, that's it. Sana may natutunan kayo dito sa video na to. Invite ko kayo sa ating YouTube channel, youtube.com/user/sipnayanph. And then facebook.com/sipnayanph, yung ating Facebook page. And our website, sipnayan.com. Maraming salamat. I'll see you in the next video.